Hey, Coach Lora here. I'm really excited about our upcoming event in Charlotte on the 15th for equine assisted professionals. You know, maybe you're just starting out, maybe you've been in practice for a while, maybe you've been leading classes, workshops, or retreats, or all of the above for a while, and maybe you just want to kind of get some fresh ideas, take a fresh approach on what you're doing. Whatever the case, I hope you'll join us. We're going to be, now when I say we, I'm talking about Katie and I will be offering a class that is focused into how to design, develop your classes, your workshops, your retreats, covering content and working on making sure you're not over delivering and over processing your clients, because the value drops when our clients feel over processed. So it's critical that our delivery is set in properly for them, paced well. Also, we'll talk about once you get that get it designed or developed with your content, how do you market? Talking about marketing messaging, talking about where to market, how to market. Now, I don't go a whole lot into strategy. I will be sharing with you what has not worked for us and what has worked for us in the marketing. However, the most critical pieces are, how do I market this thing? How do I, electronically, the emails, the landing pages, things of that nature. We'll cover all of that, and we are happy to answer all of your questions about that. Logistics is another consideration. Ideas for equine assisted activities. We'll be brainstorming some of that. So it's about having success with these things, reaching your market, because Katie and I are invested in helping you reach the people that you want to work with, the lives you want to impact. And it's about having greater reach, that we can truly get the word out and help others transform and heal and grow. And I know some of you are more in the life coaching sector, or some of you are more in the business sector. Maybe you want to practice equine assisted learning. This is a great way to leverage your business. If you're a therapist, doing groups, offering classes and workshops, even retreats, are a wonderful way to leverage your time and generate more revenue to your organization that will help you keep moving forward. And I know that can be a challenge sometimes. We'll talk about pricing. I'm glad I brought up the money. We're going to talk about pricing in this. There is so much psychology behind pricing. We'll go through that and help you set in your pricing properly so that you fill these classes, these workshops, and these retreats. Overall, listen, we want to be there for you in that day, and you get to be the client in an equine assisted business coaching session. How many times are you doing a session, you're the leader, and you're thinking, man, I'd like to participate in one of these. I know I do. And so you do get to be the participant this time, and we'll be helping you really ground, anchor what you're doing with your workshops and retreats and the process of marketing. All of it. We're going to cover it. Well, listen, there's a link here. You can check out more information. Reserve your seat. It's $57. If you're needing continuing education units for a gala, then Katie can certainly help you with that, and you can get those credits. But this is for any equine assisted professional that is wanting to or is already offering classes, workshops, and retreats. We're going to just help you freshen it up or get it rolling, whatever the case may be. All right, well, we're looking forward to working with you, and I will see you all in North Carolina on the 15th.